Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when self outshines circumstances. Ladies and gentlemen, there are moments when life surrounds the self with walls of uncertainty, when circumstances seem larger than courage and direction fades into mist. Yet within every being lies a silent compass, the pulse of divine intelligence that guides without words. Transformation begins when the self stops reacting to the world and starts resonating with the vast order that sustains it. Circumstances are waves on the ocean of existence. The self, when calm and conscious, becomes the depth beneath those waves, unmoved yet containing all movement. It is here that communion begins, where human awareness aligns with cosmic design and the unseen begins to show the path. The ancient seers called this union with the divine. Science now describes it as coherence, the synchronization of energy, thought, and vibration. When the heart and mind achieve inner harmony, their electromagnetic rhythm interacts differently with the surrounding field, subtly influencing perception, opportunity, and even probability. What sages once named divine grace, modern physics approaches as resonance. Lord Krishna's teaching in the revered Bhagavad Gita mirrors this eternal law. He reveals that the self must act with clarity and righteousness, free from the weight of expectation. When consciousness aligns with truth and intention rests on purity, the divine current flows through human will. Life no longer feels imposed. It begins to unfold in quiet perfection. In that communion, circumstances lose command. They respond instead to the vibration of awareness. The higher the alignment, the more harmonious the outcome. As the seed carries the pattern of the tree, the self holds the pattern of its destiny, awaiting only the awakening of consciousness to reveal it. What's the way forward? To live in such alignment, one must begin with stillness. Reflection before action brings coherence to thought. Gratitude shifts energy from resistance to receptivity. Compassion purifies intent. Humility invites guidance. Every thought becomes a signal to the intelligence that pervades creation. The purpose is not to overpower events, but to flow within their rhythm, to act with awareness rather than impulses. When action serves goodness, effort turns into grace, and the turbulence of circumstance transforms into the tide that carries life forward. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when the self aligns with divine intelligence, circumstances lose their authority. Adversity becomes a teacher. Uncertainty becomes direction. The true battle is never with the world, but with the disharmony within. Lord Krishna's timeless assurance echoes across the ages. When righteousness falters and balance declines, the divine arises to restore harmony. That arising is not distant. It awakens within the illuminated heart. And when thought and action move in communion, when clarity replaces conflict and the divine steers the chariot of intent, transcendence over circumstances occurs in ways beyond even comprehension. In that luminous alignment, the self no longer strives to overcome life. It becomes one with the intelligence that designs it. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.